Welcome to Bisma Cards. Now, seamlessly create your own digital business card, doing away with the old tradition of printed card. Simply log into bismacard.com and then click on Sign In. Log in with email and password or create new account. Enjoy the trial version for 7 days, or you can opt for the premium plans. To create a digital card of your choice, click on Create a new card. Save your card with a card name. Choose a theme of your choice and click on Next. Fill in your personal or business details. You can also notice a preview of your card on the right as you go on, furnishing all information mentioned here. You can discover a range of secured payment options and can also furnish that information on your digital card. Add multiple images of your products. Affiliate marketers can also create their profile here and share it with their clients. Your digital card is now ready. Share it on your social media profiles or emails or messaging services, etc. Create a comprehensive, online and highly informative digital business card with Bisma Cards and carve a niche in the minds of your clients and business prospects. Get your Bisma Card now.